Hi, I'm Andrea Mayer of Smart Move Property Management, and I just completed a 2-day workshop with Errol of EA Consulting. It was awesome. So I went into the workshop thinking that I had my procedures and checklists pretty well dialed in, but ultimately Errol helped me to see that I had a lot of holes in my bucket. The one thing that I really liked about the workshop was that Errol helped us think about things in terms of flow. So if this happens, then you do this. If that happens, then you do that. And that's kind of how my procedures were set up, but not entirely. So I've got pages and pages of notes now, and I'm really excited to dive in and start implementing these changes. And I'm really also excited to see how these changes implement myself and my workflow as well as my team. So thank you, Errol. I really enjoyed the class. Not only was it enlightening, but it was a lot of fun too. You're a great guy. Thanks.